reached at Bharat Mandapam, and then I decided to let's stop here, and I will definitely capture the video. But there was some rush. I don't know. Hello guys, I am starting this vlog at the Supreme Court, and now I am. You can see the board, and this is the premises of Supreme Court, and I am just going through this road. This is why I stop here to record myself here, and I am just going through this road to the Tisayari Court today. I am on my bike. I am going through my, and I can say I am going by my bike, and it's a winter season, so I cover all of myself. I am in my uniform, and there is lots of, you can see I am on the side of the main road. This is the main road. You can see the bus, a DTC bus. You can see I am on main road. This is why I just have to careful when I am recording this video, because there is main road. If there is someone who hit me from behind, I don't know what happens that time. What will happen that time? Yes, I can say. And it's my journey of, I guess it's a 31st day of English speaking. This is why, and you can see my fluency, and I work daily basis on my fluency so that I can be fluent as much faster as I can. And if you want to be the part of this channel, you can subscribe this channel for more updates, and see how consistent I am and how much I am improving on the daily basis, regularly, I can say. So I will see you at Tisayari Court. So bye. Hello guys, I am in the gym right now. You can see this is the rear camera view, and this is the front camera. And I want to share with you, it's 5:15 p.m. right now. I just came here to do exercise, but there is no one in the gym today. You know what? Why? Because of there is holiday today of there is a Guru Tegh Bahadur Jayanti today. This is why no one came here, because it's holiday today. And where is the gym? Is the gym is in the Saket Court, and it's free for advocates only. If you are an advocate and want to do exercise for free, you can do exercise for free if you have enrollment and registration in the bar association of Saket Court. And I enrolled, and I have registration. I enrolled in the bar association of Saket Court. This is why you can see how I am making video, how I hold my phone, and how I capture myself. You can see behind me, it's me, and there is no one here. You can see the whole gym is totally vacant today. There is no one, and I will do exercise even when no one is here, even when how much I feel today. Because if there is someone and do exercise with you, you get motivation, and there is inner voice, let's do exercise, because he's and they are doing exercise. Then why I am waiting, and for what I am waiting? This is why. But I do exercise for myself, so I will do exercise about anything. And I left around 4:37 p.m. from the Lakshmi Nagar branch. I was in Lakshmi Nagar branch today because it's a holiday today. So there are some cases pending for today, enlisted for today, has postponed because of holiday. And I went to the Lakshmi Nagar, and I left from I left from there at 4:37 p.m. to the gym, and I was thinking about to let's stop my bike to shoot and capture the video at Lakshmi Nagar, but I didn't stop my bike. And then I was thinking, let's stop video at the Supreme Court and roadside, obviously. And then again, I didn't stop my scooty. And then I was reached at Bharat Mandapam, and then I decided to let's stop here, and I will definitely capture the video. But there was some rush. I don't know. Hello, I just came out from the gym, but now there is something I want to share with you. You can see this is the Saket Court. Yes, and it's Tegh Bahadur Jayanti, and it is decorated. You can see this is the Saket Court premises, and so beautiful. The night view you can see, and there is a guy who is making video. You can see, and I am also making video, but it's for myself, and you can see, and it's a coat, and I didn't, I just came out from the gym. This is why I hang my coat and carry my coat on my hand, and I will wear. Definitely, I will wear because I will go to home by my bike. This is why I will for sure I will wear this because it's a winter season. I get sick. I will get sick for sure if I don't wear this and if I don't put on this coat, because there will be a cold wind and all the way I will face. I will definitely get sick, and you can see I was making video in the gym, and there is a a advocate came here suddenly, and I was like, I feel so embarrassing, and I feel so I feel what I am doing, and this is why I just shut my mouth. I don't know why, but my mouth got shut itself. And these are the people who are coming towards me. That's why I gets I don't know why, but there are some people who walking here and there, and I feel sometimes so shy. This is why I get shut my mouth. I shut my mouth. I didn't speak. I don't speak when people looks at me. And wow, it's so beautiful. And most there are some people, I can say advocates and staff of the court making video over there. I will show you. You can see. I don't you can see. Wow, it's a beautiful view. But I already captured in my video, and the purpose of mine to make video in the court premises is fulfilled, and now I am free to go. This is why I don't have to share with you anything, but I just wanted to show you. I was making video in the gym, and there is a advocate, I can say, because the gym for only advocates came suddenly, and my mouth got shut. I don't know why, but I feel shy sometimes. This is why. And I guess if you make video, you will feel same like I feel when I make video. So I'm just going, and there is a call of my senior. I'm going to picking up. I'm going to ship the call. Then bye.